Hello students, in this video we will discuss about distance of a point P whose coordinate is x1 y1 from a line whose equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the general form of the equation. Now suppose in the coordinate system this is a line whose equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and this is the point P whose coordinate is x1 comma y1, and if we find the distance of P from that line, that means PM, then what will be? Since PM is the distance of this point from this line AB is ax1 plus by1 plus c whole upon root under a square plus b square. This formula is very simple. PM is the distance from from P of a line ax plus by plus c equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c whole upon root under a square plus b square, and this will be in the always magnitude region, that distance never negative. By this formula you can find the distance of a point from any line. Now distance between two parallel lines, if lines are y equal to mx plus c1 and y equal to mx plus c2, these two lines are parallel, then distance between both, if represented by d equal to c1 minus c2 whole upon root under 1 plus m square, and it will be in the magnitude, where m is the slope of both lines. This is the first, this is the second, and third, distance between two parallel lines, if lines are given in the form ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0 will be d equal to, if distance is denoted by d, then this will be mod of c1 minus c2 whole upon root under a square plus b square. Here we will discuss three type of formulas, and all three type of formulas are very important, so you should be learn carefully. This is the distance of a point from any line. This is the distance of two parallel lines if equation of line is given in the form of slope intercept form, and this is the equation distance between two parallel lines if lines given in the general form. Now in the next video we will discuss about equation of two parallel lines, how to find equation of a parallel line if another equation of line is given.